Hello guys, and welcome to another Wizard Watch video. Today we're going to show you a Armida watch. This is the A12 300 m grey dial version. This watch brought to me by a good friend of mine, so thanks to Ruby for bringing this one. Before we start, if you're new to my videos, please subscribe to this channel and turn your notifications on, then you can get future updates about upcoming videos. So let's open the box and see what we get inside. Inside we have that Armida pouch. It looks really nice in my opinion. Let's open it up. Here we have the Armida warranty card with a small operation manual, how to wind the time, adjusting the time and all that stuff. Kinda cute. Here we have also a tropic strap with matching hardware. It's very nice. And here our beast. Let's move the pouch aside. First let's give it a good look. It's heavy inside, nice blue color, black leather, feels very good. Okay, here our watch. Boom. Let me first screw back the crown. Okay, as always we first stop talking about the movement inside. Inside we get the NH35. This movement doing 6 beats per second. It have 24 joules, 41 hours of power reserve, dial shock system, date window. This movement is hacking and winding. We have also inside the famous Seiko magic lever. The accuracy rating is +40 -20 seconds per day, and the accuracy test for this piece is actually very accurate, doing +2 +3 seconds per day. For the money, it's really awesome in my opinion. So let's move now to specification. We get 316L stainless steel case, curved case. We get very nice gray sunburst dial that looks really awesome in my opinion. Armida execute that very well. We get C3 Lume bezel, hours, markers and indices. We get Doom sapphire crystal, 3mm thickness, vintage style, like flexi crystal, and also we get sapphire insert. We get AR coding from inside. As I said in the beginning, we get 300 meters of water resistant. We get screw down crown, sign also, screw down back case with 3D stamped of Armida logo. We have also drill lugs, 120 clicks unidirectional bezel, very solid action, very nice, and we get 1 year of warranty. Okay, let's move now to dimensions. we get case size of 38, the lug to lug is 48, thickness is almost 14, and the strap size is 20, tapers down to 18, and going back up with clasp 20.3. And let's measure the crown size. Almost 7. Very nice, big and chunky. Now we have good grip on him. Let's see if we only measure the dial, what we get. Almost the same. Doesn't matter much. Okay guys, let's have a reshot now. Then we talk a little bit on the clasp. And boom. So as you see, the Armida sits very nice to my 6.8 inch wrist. A little bit high, I would say, just a little bit, but the curved case helps the watch sits better on the wrist. For a 38mm case, it sits very well. It doesn't look too small or too big. This watch is a little bit chunky, but still wears great on the hand. See, above the bone and below the bone. Okay, let's remove the watch now. Now we'll have outdoor shot, and then we get back here. And here we out under the sun. Now we can see the watch in a different light. In my opinion, it's always good to see the watch in a different light. Then you can get a different picture, how the watch look, and you know what are the reflections that we get from the glass or the sapphire insert. In this case, we get really nice reflection from the sunburst dial. That looks amazing in my opinion. Armida execute great dial. This gray sunburst dial looks amazing in my opinion. Plays very nice with the light. And also the watch sits very good to my 6.8 inch wrist. A little bit high on the wrist, but not that much. Still wears great. Okay, then we're back. Now we'll have Lume Shot. Let's kill the lights. And as you see guys, the watch being charged from the studio light, and this is the results. The results are pretty damn good. You can see the time really easily, even the bezel loomed. Very nice. Let's give it a little boost. And boom. Amazing. Armida did amazing job on the loom, even on the bezel. It looks fantastic. The sapphire insert looks great. Armida did good job on the loom. Okay, now we'll turn on the lights. Okay guys, so this was the Armida A12 300M grey dial version. I forgot to talk about the strap, about the bracelet, so now is the time. As you see, we get a H-link style bracelet with solid end links, solid links, come with push pins, no screw pins. We get a very nice clasp, Armida clasp with a diver extension that operate very nice. We get 3 micro adjustment over here, so basically we get very nice milled clasp, very good bracelet. All brushed. So guys, if you're interested in this watch costs $470. Usually Armida give a discount or a coupon, and then you can buy this watch around that 400. In my opinion, it's a great price for this watch. It's very high quality watch, well built, super robust with great specs, and as you see, doing great timing also. In my opinion, this is the affordable version of the 62 mass by Seiko, and I think Armida execute a modern version of that watch that you know, we guys can buy in an affordable price. I only have 2 complaints. The first one is the clasp. I think the clasp is a little bit too big, too thick. In my opinion, they need to make it a little bit thinner to fit the overall size of the watch, because it's look a bit chunky and too big for the bracelet, in my opinion. The second one is the lack of polished areas in this watch. As you see, this watch is fully brushed. We don't have even one polished area, even on the clasp. Everything is brushed. I mean, I get this finishing and all that, but still missing some polished corners, you know, or polished bevels. But maybe it's just me. Still, I'm digging the case, the finishing and everything is really top quality, in my opinion. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this review. Please, if you can, like and subscribe to this channel, it will help a lot. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.